So this is part of our front yard, and it got a little bit out of control while we were gone, but that's kind of a good thing. This is where we let our sweet potatoes grow. That's what these vines are, our sweet potatoes. And it's kind of loose, sandy soil here in Florida, and I've been amending it with oak leaves and organic matter, and it's getting pretty nice, but it is still pretty loose, and that's a really great spot for sweet potatoes to just kind of grow. And the moisture is, enough to where I don't really have to maintain this area. It just kind of goes, and the vines go where they will, and then I come through and get sweet potatoes kind of as I need or want them. And I was planting this banana tree. I got it out of somebody's trash pile the other day, and we'll see if it comes back. It's still got some green in it, and it had some roots down at the bottom still. Not many, but I hope it's enough to let it come back. But anyway, I was planting it and discovered that sweet potatoes have done pretty well. Here, this is about a 2-month growth window. That's a dollar weed fruit. I want that. There's a nice one. 4. And this is an heirloom variety of sweet potato that my cousin, there we go, gave to us. And these all came from one single sweet potato. And we've been enjoying them ever since. I'm gonna leave that one there. So that's enough for me for now, but yeah, that was all out of maybe a square foot of space. You can kind of feel around. Oh yeah, there's even more smaller ones down there. I'll leave those go. A little bigger. Kind of like fishing. Maybe let them go, let them grow. And I can get them sometime later. But kind of spend my time exploring, feeling around, and it's a really easy way to have pretty high quality food on hand. Anyway, if you haven't tried growing sweet potatoes, please allow me to highly encourage it. You just find a nice sunny location. We're in the shade now, but this gets pretty much full sun all day long. And that keeps the vines from getting too leggy and puts most of the energy from the plant down into the roots. And it's a really good way to do it. So again, that's as nice as you please. Again, these are really sweet. They're an heirloom variety from my cousin, and I wash them up and either slice them or bake them whole, and we eat the skins. They're so nice. They're sweet, and if you do a little bit of salt and brown sugar and olive oil, it's really quite nice. So anyway, that's harvesting sweet potatoes. So now I'm over here at my sink for my studio, and that's also where I do most of my veggie washing. And I try to wash them as soon as they come out of the dirt while it's still kind of loose. This is one of my favorite parts about the whole thing, is how beautiful and fresh and pink those sweet potatoes are right when they come out of the dirt. And this is all rainwater from my barrel, and I plumbed it in to a spigot here and a hose bib down there. So I don't drink this water because it's, you know, just off the roof, but it's great for this. Again, look how beautiful that is. It just cleans up so nice. This one had a little bit of damage. Some kind of pest got into it. I'll cut that off. It's still a pretty good sized sweet potato. Anyway, they're just so beautiful and fresh and pink. And that's really why I wash them straight as soon as they get out of the dirt. It just cleans up so much easier.